Okay, there's a fantastic breaking news coming in. Fugitive Indian diamond trader Nirav Modi has lost his appeal to take his fight against extradition before the UK Supreme Court. He now has no legal options whatsoever left in the United Kingdom. Manish Pandey is breaking the story first on India Today. Manish, this is fantastic news coming in. The question here is, how much time now and what is the protocol as far as his extradition is concerned? Because earlier there were those reservations that perhaps, he has some appeal left, but now there is no legal recourse left for him in the United Kingdom, so he has to come back.
Absolutely, Chati, and this is a major win, big win for the Indian agencies, that is the Central Bureau of Investigation and the Enforcement Directorate, but also for the Indian government. Now, what we have been given to understand is that there was an appeal filed by Nirav Modi against the UK High Court order in which he was ordered to be extradited to India. There was an appeal filed before the High Court, and the appeal was that he wanted to approach the Supreme Court against the High Court order, but that appeal has been rejected by the court, which means that now he cannot approach the Supreme Court. Just for better understanding for our viewers, in UK the protocol is that if there is an extradition case, if you want to approach the Supreme Court, you have to take permission from the High Court, and High Court gives permission only if there are fresh grounds. The ground which was given by Nirav Modi was that if he is extradited to India, then he will commit suicide. Now that ground has been rejected by the court, and we have been given to understand is that Nirav Modi won't be able to file any appeal before the Supreme Court, which means that he has exhausted all the legal options. First, the lower court gave, that is the Westminster Court of UK, they gave the order of extradition of Nirav Modi to India. Then UK High Court, twice they have given this order, including today's order, that he should be extradited to India. So he has no legal option left in UK. But as far as any other legal option is concerned, still he has one legal option. He can approach the European Human Rights Court, in which he can appeal against his extradition. But whether that will be entertained by the European Human Rights Court or not, that is still to be seen. But what the agencies are believing that now this order will be sent to UK Home Office, and the UK Home Office can take a call within a month that when Nirav Modi could be extradited to India.
And you said the UK Home Office can take a call, and as far as India's relationship with the United Kingdom is concerned, there will be some talks going on at the diplomatic route as well to ensure that the UK Home Office also clears this as fast as possible, because the grounds that his lawyers have shown about high risk of suicide if he's extradited seems to be just a legal argument, for argument's sake.
Well, Chaitanya, this is a very important question. We have seen in the past that if there is any deportation or if any matter of extradition, the diplomatic relationship between both the countries, both the government becomes very important. And, as far as Vijay Mallya case was concerned, remember, he was also ordered extradition by the UK High Court. He also lost appeal to approach the Supreme Court. But still we have been given to understand is that there was some level of understanding between Vijay Mallya and the UK government, and that is why he was never sent to India. So far, Indian agencies are still fighting to get Vijay Mallya from UK. In case of Nirav Modi also, we have been given to understand is that Nirav Modi will also push on the grounds that this is a political case. If he is sent to India, then he will be, at a risk of committing suicide. All these grounds will be presented through him, but whether the government will entertain or not, that is still to be seen in this case. As far as the process is concerned, now his appeal has been rejected. It will be sent to the UK Home Office. UK Home Office can take a call after speaking to the Indian authorities that when Nirav Modi can be sent to India. But again, as you mentioned, diplomatic relationship between both the governments are going to be extremely important as far as extradition of diamond trader is concerned.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Manish. This is a huge news break broken first by Manish Pandey here on India Today.